What's up guys, it's Ryan here. Today I'm here with the overview of Android Nougat on the Nexus 10 tablet. So this thing has received Nougat via Pure Nexus ROM. It's the name of the ROM is the Pure Nexus ROM from XDA developers. You can see the Pure Nexus right there, which is awesome. I've been using this for about a month and I've been settling into the Nougat. You can see this Pixel Launcher-esque Nova Launcher right here. Very smooth. And there's also stock launcher included, but there's really nothing special. That's basically a Google Now launcher without the Google Now pane, the Google Now page on the left. And you can see this is standard Android Nougat stuff. Basically, there's not a lot of changes here. There's not even dedicated Pure Nexus stuff here, with the exception of the navigation bar, power menu, all those stuff you've seen before with CyanogenMod. By the way, CyanogenMod is dead. The sequel of the CyanogenMod is called Lineage OS, and I'm kind of waiting for it, but I guess I'm gonna be using this Pure Nexus ROM for a while. And by the way, let's go to the Android Easter egg. There we go. There's actually no game in here, so multiple times you tap it, there's just nothing. To get to a, it's not even a game, but there's a cat here. You can see there's like a bunch of cats here, like cat number blah blah blah. Basically, you give them a treat, and that'll it'll show in the notification bar that the cat is here, and stuff like that. Basically, it's all stock Android Nougat, that you've seen on Nexus devices or Pixel devices. Basically just 7.0, not 7.1.1, like you see in the Pixel and Nexus 6P. But I find this 7.0 to be more stable than the 7.1.1 on the Nexus 10 tablet. For some reason, it's more stable here, which I found interesting. But, that's just the way it is. Now, the new features on Android Nougat include this display size modification. So you can see this display size. The largest size is kind of like huge and big ass. The default size is what you're probably used to. This. And on camera it doesn't really look that significant, but on real life it's actually pretty significant. I prefer this small option, which kind of looks efficient and takes advantage of the screen size and actually feels speedier for some reason. It's probably modifying the DPI resolution. And you can also go like super small like that, but that's like way too small for me. Also, there's font size differences. I put it on default again. And other than that, there's not much difference. There's suggestions for like how to use your device, like get your screen lock and get your wallpaper new ones and stuff like that. They're kind of useful, but also just kind of plain. Now, one of the best features in my opinion on Android Nougat is dual screen or multitasking, or whatever, multi-window. So let's say you're watching a video, YouTube video. Let's actually play my videos. By the way, there's an issue with the YouTube in Android Nougat for the Nexus 10. I think it's just for the Nexus 10. When watching a video, the video kind of crops in. You probably experienced this if you're using Android Nougat on your Nexus 10. And main selling point for this tablet is watching videos. You got like super high resolution display and sick dual front facing speakers, and you want to watch videos, right? And there are some flaws with watching videos on the Nexus 10. So let's watch one of my videos. No volume here, because I just want that to be, you can see video playing nicely. You can just hold down that button, multitasking button, the overview button, and it will give this like split view. You can just press the home button if there's not any windows in there, and say you're gonna go to Chrome Beta. Super fast. By the way, the performance on this Nougat on the Nexus 10 is excellent. The Marshmallow was good, and the Lollipop was okay, but Nougat is like home run. It's like back to the days of Jelly Bean and Kit Kat, where they really optimized the Android operating system for the Nexus 10. Oh, wait. Shut down, huh? That's odd. So you guess, might not be the most stable build. They call it stable, but sometimes with the Nexus 10, as you know, there's a bit of an inconsistency with the software. So sometimes it shuts down, which is odd. But let's put it down for a second and talk about the performance on the Nougat. Nougat performance is really smooth. There's almost no hiccups unless you're doing like really heavy tasks like super high-end gaming, or watching a ton of YouTube videos and browsing a ton of browsers, like browsing a ton at the same time with the dual window. There's basically no lag. You can see it booted quick. With the initial boot here, it's gonna be a little bit slower. A little bit slower. It will take a while to settle in because it was a full reboot. I don't know why it was that unstable. Yeah. Anyway, launch it again. That's pretty fast. Again, it's an initial boot, so don't take this as an actual performance. It's actually a lot faster than this. It's just because it's an initial boot. It's gonna be a teeny bit slower, but even this is not that big of a deal for me. Split screen and Chrome, which is awesome. Chrome beta here. You can see 2 screens here. You can adjust it if you want. You can see web-browsing performance is pretty good. You can see super smooth. You can go to like settings and view a ton of stuff. And also you can double tap the multitasking buttons to jump to another app like this, which is pretty cool. Super smooth. Also pretty smooth on this part here. There was an experimental like dual Windows stuff on the Android Marshmallow build, but that was like experimental. It was incredibly laggy, but this is pretty smooth. You can see they put a lot of effort into it. You can see it is pretty smooth, especially for a stock Android Nexus 10. Oh, why are you loading? There you go. Let's watch a video. Motorex Pure Edition. You can see you're watching a video, nice and smooth, and you're browsing a web here. And you can do all the standard stuff. So there's that. Also, you can just close an app and go to like eBay. Let's demo it here. By the way, on the Android 7.0, there doesn't seem to be an aftership support, which is the app I use a lot. I use a lot of eBay, so I need to track all my shipments, but I can't really do that on my Nexus 10 running Nougat, which is a shame. But anyways, that will be addressed. You can also get the clear all function. Clear all everything. Also clear this out. And that is all. That's pretty much it for the Nougat overview for the Nexus 10. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Anyway guys, peace out.